You've been using AI like it understands you. It doesn't. And once you see what's actually happening underneath, not the press release version, the actual mechanism, you're going to use it completely differently. Here's the thing that nobody leads with. AI doesn't think. It predicts. Every single response, every one, is the model working through the same question. Given everything that came before this, what is the most likely to come next? Not reasoning, not understanding, prediction. I know, sounds like I'm about to ruin something for you. Stick with me. Let's start with what most people think is happening when they use AI. You type a question, AI reads it, thinks about it, understands what you're really asking, and gives you a thoughtful answer. That's the mental model almost everyone is operating with. And it's not quite right. You know those parrots that can hold a conversation? They learn phrases, context, patterns of how humans talk, and they get surprisingly good at sounding like they're following along. AI is that. Except instead of learning from a few people in a room, it trained from the internet on basically everything humans have ever written. So the output doesn't just sound plausible, it sounds authoritative. That's not a knock on AI. It's genuinely impressive. But impressive and understanding are different things, and that difference matters. Here's what's actually happening when you hit send. Your input gets broken into tokens, word-sized chunks. The model processes those against everything it learned during training, looking for what typically comes next. It's not pulling an answer from a filing cabinet. It's building one, word by word, based upon probability. You've seen this before. Autocomplete on your phone. You type, running late. It suggests, be there soon. Not reading your mind, just seen that pattern 1,000 times. AI is that, at a scale that makes it look like something else entirely. One more thing. Same prompt, different answer tomorrow. That's intentional randomness built into the model. Not a bug. That's the feature. Here's where most people actually go wrong. When you interact with AI like it understands you, you write prompts that assume shared context. You leave things out. You ask vague questions. You figure it's smart enough to fill in the blanks. It fills in the blanks, but not the way you're hoping. Think about hiring a contractor and saying, just fix the thing in the garage. No details, no scope, no context. They'll fix something. Might be exactly right. Might not be what you had in mind at all. And they'll still hand you an invoice either way. AI does the same thing, except it doesn't even know it doesn't have enough information. It just generates. Fluently, confidently, sometimes completely wrong. Confidence and accuracy are not the same thing. A well-trained model can be wrong in complete sentences. Here's the part where I'm supposed to tell you AI is still good, actually. It is, but not for the reason most people think. Every tool works better when you understand what it actually does, not what the marketing says. I've watched people fight tools their whole career because they had the wrong mental model. The tool wasn't broken, their expectations were. AI is the same way. Once you stop expecting it to understand you and start treating it like what it is, a very capable pattern engine with a massive training set, your whole approach changes. Let me show you what I mean. Here's a vague prompt. Same tool, same model, completely different results. The difference isn't the AI, it's the context you gave it. You stopped expecting it to read your mind and started giving it what it actually needs to work with. That's the whole recalibration. Give it context. Be specific. Check what it gives you, because confident doesn't mean correct. But when you use it right, it's one of the most useful tools most people have ever had access to. It's not intelligent, it's well trained. Turns out that's more useful once you stop expecting the wrong thing. If you want to go deeper on how AI actually works, I wrote a book on it. AI explained simply from huh to oh. Links in the description. If you got something out of this and want to hear more, click subscribe. If you know someone who needs to hear more about AI, share this video with them. Click on the video here to find out what comes next with AI. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.